We are very proud to announce the newest Curtis Advantage cab for the Massey Ferguson 1700 and 1800E tractor line. We utilize our state-of-the-art powder coating system to achieve a perfect color match. The roof design provides additional protection from rain or snow. Our large glass windows provide excellent operator visibility. Our cab doors lock for your added security, feature gas-assisted shocks, remove in seconds without tools, and features our Curtis full perimeter seal system to protect you from the elements. The glass rear panel also vents or lifts out easily without any tools for backhoe operation. We also provide a vinyl filler helping integrate and seal where the loader control comes into the cab. Our venting glass windshield provides year-round comfort. The front wiper and our tuck-away heater defroster are included with the cab. Don't forget about our cab accessory mirrors, lights, and optional rear wiper. Visit us at artillion.com to help you empower your tractor with our elite line of attachments, pallet fork frames, modular grapples, and new ROPS mounted accessories. The Curtis Advantage Series cab. You'll love the look, the feel, and especially the price.